Manjris are giving Radharani earrings and are putting them on, and then when they put one on, and then they go to put the other one on, Radharani takes one off. And the Manjri sees that Radharani takes one off and puts it down. And she says, oh, I know. I know, because Radharani, the heart of the Manjris and Radharani is one. There's not two, like Radharani. In Hindu land, they say, do sharir Radharani, pronounce. They say, do sharir ek atma. Huh? They say like that? Do sharir ek atma. But what we say in Transcendence, we say, ek divya kalevaram, ek divya kalevaram, or ek tanu, ek pran, ek atma. Ek atma, I say akat, it's like in Gita also. Ek atma, Radharani ek atma, Radharani atma, Krishna atma ek atma. Radha Krishna yugal. Yugal means connection. Yugal, one. So Radharani, the Manjri, decorating Radharani to run out to meet Krishna Avisara, and then she puts one earring on. Radharani's one Manjri's holding a mirror. Okay, so you're holding a mirror, and then so then the other Manjri's putting one earring on, and then goes to put the other earring on, and takes both hands and holds the earlobe, and has to get inside. Or different kinds are there. Some with pierced ones, some lip different, or flower earrings. Then when the Manjri puts one on the right ear, and she goes to put the one on the left, and then Radharani takes the one off the right. And then the Manjri notices that. And as I said, she's one with Radharani's mind and heart. So she says, oh, I know. When you get to the Kunj, and you meet Shamsundar in the Kunj, he's going to say, Radharani, you look so beautiful. But you have one beautiful golden earring, one Sona Kunda, but the other one's missing. Oh, I don't know. And I must have dropped it. And as soon as Radharani says like that, then all of a sudden the Manjri has the earring in her hand, and right near Krishna's hand. Is this it, Radharani? Yeah. And then Krishna says, yeah, that's it. And then Krishna takes it from the hand of the Manjri and puts it on. Okay? So, because generally we see in the Shastras that, and the Ujjavala that when Radharani meets with Krishna, she puts this, what we call in the West, what we call mascara, different color, blue, black, whatever. In India they do black with this thing. Kajal, or kohl. So the Manjris put on one, and then they go to put on the other eye. The Manjris go to paint the other eye, and Radharani says, no, don't. Acha, theek hai. Theek. So then the Manjri has to remember because in a couple of minutes, Radharani this is like 9:30 at night, or no, 10:30 at night. Radharani's preparing for Avisar to run out to meet Krishna. This is called the Pradosh Lila. Pradosh Lila just ending, and Madhyan at the juncture. Ratri or Nisha Lila. It was like around 11 o'clock. But before that, 10:30, Radharani's getting up. She's bathed, getting ready. So she leaves by 11:15 at night, or 11 o'clock. And Krishna's calling from Mamshivat, Yamuna side, Vrindavan. So then the Manjri has to take note, because she knows the heart, she knows the mind of Radharani. So when she goes to put the kajal on Radharani's eye, and she says no, and the Manjri doesn't say anything. She understands, tonight, because last 3 nights I put kajal on both eyes, but tonight I only one eye. Okay, so then she takes the pencil, there's like some special pencil and this, that, and then she puts in her emergency kit. Like ladies have a little purse they carry, so she puts that there. And then Radharani, the earring that Radharani took off, she puts that there. And then they put 2 bracelets, and Radharani says no. And so Radharani just takes off, or even she says, I take this off, or take this toe ring off. So the Manjris are collecting all these things, and they put it in the kit. So they're carrying, and they run down there. So we're discussing the second type of Nayika, or Nayika, heroine. It's called Vasak Saja. Avas means Vrindavan Vas, to reside or to wait. It's called a hopeful, waiting lover. She's waiting in the Kunj, She runs to meet, and then she waits in the kunj. She's very hopeful. She decorates the kunj with her manjaris and sakis. It's already decorated with flower ornaments and all paraphernalia, garlands and drinks and many things and perfumes, different perfumes and sandalwood paste. Many things are already there on tables. One parrot, Manju Bhashani, or Daksha, or Vichakshana. There are 5 or 7 pet parrots of Radha and Krishna. He's there, or she's there, a female and male parrots. So then, when Radharani gets there, so no, I want this over here and this over here. You know, like you may make a house like this. Then the wife comes, oh no, just like that. This goes there, and this goes there. And the husband's going, oh, what's going on here? Because the husband has one idea about things. And then the wife comes and says, as usual. Because husband means one idea. And wife, the husband, definition. Husband, one idea. Wife, definition. Another idea. Now, together means marriage. So marriage is a combination of 2 opposing ideas and everything that goes with it. And everything that comes of it. And, which, kids and whatnot, whatever. So then Radharani, then one mantri, then Radharani's ready, she's sitting there on the flower bed, and end of the flower bed, hopeful, waiting. Whereas Krishna, and then one mantri holds a mirror. It's like, she looks, oh, one earring's missing. Oh, I left that earring. No, here it is. Do you want me to put it now, or do you want me to save it for later? Later. And then she looks, oh, there's only kajal on one eye, because Radharani already forgot. In the madness of Avisar,